Have you ever noticed how the bathroom has completely evolved over the last few years? It used to be this strictly practical space that people barely thought about as long as it was clean and functional. But today it has transformed into something much bigger, a personal sanctuary, a little corner of the home dedicated to relaxation, self-care, and unwinding after a crazy day. If you are looking to revamp your washroom or simply want to refresh its look, there are so many creative design ideas that can take it from basic to breathtaking without feeling overwhelming. Let's start with color because color truly sets the mood the second you step through the door. For a long time, clinical stark white was the default choice. But design trends are moving toward warmer, richer tones. Think soft peach, warm terracotta, muted sage green, or even deep moody hues like navy blue and charcoal gray. If you want a space that feels calm and sepia-like, neutral earthy tones are your best friends. They create a grounding atmosphere that instantly relaxes your eyes and mind. But if you love a bit of drama, painting an accent wall or tiling in a rich dark tone can give you a washroom a high-end boutique hotel vibe that feels cozy and sophisticated. Lighting is another huge element that can completely transform the energy of your space. Most standard washrooms rely on a single overhead bulb, which often feels harsh and unforgiving. Instead, try layering your lighting to create depth and softness. Incorporating backlit mirror is one of the easiest ways to get that modern, sleek look while providing soft, even illumination that is perfect for your morning routine. You can also add wall sconces on either side of the mirror at eye level to reduce harsh shadows or install warm LED strip lighting under floating vanities and inside shower niches. Adding dimmers to your main lights allows you to switch easily from bright morning prep mode to low, soothing ambient glow for a late night soak. When it comes to materials and textures, tactile richness makes all the difference in keeping a washroom from feeling cold and hard. Flat tile work is classic, but incorporating textured surfaces like zellage tiles, fluted wood panels, or matte finish stone adds incredible visual interest. Fluted or ribbed detailing on vanities and cabinet fronts is immensely popular right now because it captures light in a really soft, subtle way. You can also play with tile patterns, placing vertical stack subway tiles instead of the traditional horizontal layout can visually stretch your walls and make low ceilings feel significantly higher. When it comes to materials and textures, tactile richness makes all the difference in keeping a washroom from feeling cold and hard. Flat tile work is classic, but incorporating textured surfaces like zellage tiles, fluted wood panels, or matte finish stone adds incredible visual interest. Fluted or ribbed detailing on vanities and cabinet fronts is immensely popular right now because it captures light in a really soft, subtle way. You can also play with tile patterns, placing vertical stacks of wet tiles instead of the traditional horizontal layout can visually stretch your walls and make low ceilings feel significantly higher. Space management is often the biggest challenge in bathroom design, but smart choices can make even tiny washrooms feel spacious and light. Floating vanities are fantastic for this because exposing the floor space beneath them tricks the eye into perceiving a large area. Wall-mounted toilets and faucets do the exact same thing while giving the entire room a clean, floating aesthetic. If you have a small shower, replacing heavy framed glass or curtains with a single frameless glass panel allows light to pass straight through uninterrupted, making the room feel open, seamless, and airy. Speaking of the shower area, it has become the star of modern washroom designs. Rain shower heads installed directly into the ceiling offer a luxurious, gentle rainfall experience that instantly elevates your daily routine. Building a built-in shower niche with contrasting tile or subtle recessed lighting gives you a sleek place to store your essentials without cluttering up the space. with plastic caddies. If space permits, creating a wet room concept where the shower and a freestanding tub share a single tiled enclosure creates a dramatic, seamless look that feels like a private luxury spa. Hardware and fixtures are often called the jewelry of the room, and changing them out can dramatically shift the entire style without requiring a full renovation. Matte black hardware gives a sharp contemporary edge that contrasts beautifully against lighter tiles, while brushed brass and warm bronze bring an elegant vintage warmth to modern spaces. Matching your pocket cabinet pull, shower trim, and towel bars creates a cohesive, thoughtfully designed narrative throughout the space. Ultimately, the best washroom interior design is one that balances clean functionality with your own personal aesthetic. Whether you lean toward a minimal, sleek look with light woods and clean lines, a rich, moody sanctuary with brass details and dark tiles, or an organic earth-toned retreat full of plants and natural texture, focusing on good lighting, thoughtful storage, and quality tactile materials will ensure your space feels warm, inviting, and uniquely yours.